In today's video, let's talk about the way that you fix a lost Duolingo streak. Now basically how this is done is using gems or by purchasing gems, but if you're trying to do it using the Timezone hack, let me exactly show you on how it is done. The first thing you need to do is go offline. So you need to turn on your airplane mode on your phone, and once you've done that, you simply need to change the date of your phone. So you can simply head over to the settings on your device, head over to the date and time settings, and you can just turn off the automatic date and time, and then you can manually set the date to the last day that you successfully completed the lesson. Let's say you completed the lesson 2 days ago but haven't since done yet, then you need to change the date for 2 days ago so that it exactly matches. So once you've done that, you can remove this and then open up Duolingo fresh. If you have Duolingo previously open, make sure you close that app from the recent app list, and then you can now open up Duolingo, but make sure that the airplane mode is toggled on so that it does not sync with the internet. Once you've done that, you can complete your lesson and make sure that you check your streak calendar in the app to ensure that the missed day is now lit up. By following this process, you can now restore the settings, which means you can go back and set the date to automatic again. So by following this exact process, you can fix a lost Duolingo streak. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. That's gonna be all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video.